Most people know The Exorcist as one of the scariest films ever made. But what many don't realize is that the story was inspired by a chilling real-life case in 1949. The victim wasn't a girl, as in the movie, but a 14 years old boy. To protect his identity, researchers gave him pseudonyms Robbie Manhattan. His real name has never been revealed. Ronald grew up in Maryland and later moved with his family to St. Louis, Missouri. He was very close to his aunt, who had a fascination with the occult, particularly Spiritism and the Ouija board. She even taught the boy how to use it. Not long after her sudden death, strange and terrifying events began to unfold. At first, it's small things, scratching sounds in the walls, knocking noises, and objects moving on their own. But soon the disturbance began to center on Roland himself. Deep scratches appears on his skin. The family turns to doctors and psychiatrists, but nothing helped. Finally, desperate and terrified, they sought the aid of the church. Several priests observed Roland and came to the same conclusion. This no one ordinary illness. It could be demonic possession. In March of 1949, Father William Bowden and his assistant Father Walter Holloran began to grueling series of exorcism rituals, nearly 30 in total. What they reported during this session was horrifying. Roland's voice would change, becoming deep and unnatural. He spoke languages he had never learned. His body convulsed violently and at times even levitated. The air in the room would grow icy cold, filled with false stench. He lashed out, attempting to attack the priests themselves. Weeks passed in this terrifying battle. Then during one final prayer, something extraordinary happened. Roland suddenly grew calm. He claimed he saw a radiant angelic figure who drove the dark presence away. From that night onward, the boy began to recover. In time, he returned to normal life, his ordeal hidden from the world. His identity was never disclosed, but to this day, researchers call it one of the most famous and frightening exorcism cases of 20th century. And it was this true story that reached the writer William Peter Blatty, who transformed it into the novel that later became the legendary 1973 film The Exorcist.